Hello everyone, myself Dr. Feroza D. Mirajkar. Today we will see a very simple basic program of microcontroller, that is loading the data into the registers. So let us start. We will double click on the icon of the Keel software. So you will get this screen. Now go to the project, new Mu Vision project. I will use the previously created project, that is I'll use Alice. Save. Yes. Now select microchip from the device, click on the plus symbol and select 8089C51 and click on OK. Then click No. Now you can see here target 1 is created. Next, click on plus sign and see whether the source group 1 is created. So source group 1 is created here. Now go to the file, new, and save. We will save this by the name of the program, that is I am loading the data, so I will give the name as load data with an extension ASM and save. Now right click on the source group 1, click on add existing files to group source group 1, type the program name, that is load. You will get here load data.asm. Select this, click on add and click on close. Then go to the project window on the left side of the screen, click on the plus sign of source group 1 and see whether your program file is being added under this. So load data.asm, it is being added under the source group 1. Now go to the editor window and write your program. I'll directly paste the program here. So this program is about loading the data into the registers. Here the primary goal is to initialize all the registers, that is A, B, then R0 to R7 with the value 30H. So these registers R0 to R7 are the general purpose registers and these are part of the register bank 0. The program, it will enter an infinite loop after the initialization, which is useful in embedded systems in order to keep the microcontroller in stable state. Here we are using a register that is called as the accumulator. It is often used for arithmetic and the logic operations. And register B, it is used in multiplication and division operations or as a general purpose register. And R0 to R7, these are also the general purpose registers that belong to register bank 0 by default. And the RAM locations from 0 to 7 are accessed with the names R0 to R7 when programming the 8051. So now we'll see the step-by-step execution of the code. First instruction is ORG, it is 4 times 0 H. This sets the program counter to start execution from the address 0000H. It is mandatory in 8051 assembly to specify the starting address of the program. The second instruction is move A, #30H. This instruction, it will load the immediate value 30H into the accumulator register A. This hash sign, it indicates that the value is immediate. That is, it is provided directly in the instruction. The third instruction is move B, A. The value in the register A, that is the accumulator, that is currently 30H, it is moved into register B. The fourth instruction is move R0, A. So value from the accumulator, it is moved into R0 register. Next instruction is move R1, A. The value in the accumulator is moved into R1. Similarly, you have move R2, A, move R3, A, move R4, A, move R5, A, move R6, A, move R7, A. So the value from the accumulator, it is moved into these all registers. Then we come to the infinite loop, that is H colon S jump H. This is a label H followed by short jump. S jump is short jump instruction. The program jumps back to the same location H, creating an infinite loop. This ensures that the program stays running indefinitely without doing anything else. Then the last instruction is end. This directive signifies the end of the program. So now we will execute the program. Once we are done with the execution, we have to go to the project. Then we have to click on build target. When you click on build target, here at the bottom in the build output, you can see here there are 0 errors and 0 warnings. It means you don't have any errors in the program. If you have any errors, then it will show here. So you have to correct the error. Then again you have to go to project and rebuild all target files. First time we'll click on build target. If you get error, you have to correct the errors and you have to then go to the project and click on rebuild all target files. Next, go to the debug in the toolbar, click on debug, then start or stop debug session. Click on that. Then it will ask evaluation mode running with code size limit 2K. Click on OK. So now again go to the debug and click on run. Then again go to debug and click on stop. So you can see here on the left hand side you have a window that is named as registers. Here you can see all the registers from R0 to R7. These are loaded with the value 30H. And the registers A and B are also loaded with the value 30H. Then go to debug and stop. Now, if you want to see the step-by-step execution of this program, then again you have to go to debug, start or stop debug session, click on OK. Then here you can see this sign, that is step in bracket you have F11. You can go on clicking on this icon or you can press F11. So I will click on this icon. Here you can see the register A, it is being loaded with 30H. Then again click for the next step. Register B is loaded with the 30H value. Again click. You can see R0 is loaded with 30H. Similarly, go on clicking. You can see R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6 and R7. These all are loaded with the values 30H. Then go to the debug and stop session. So this is how you execute your microcontroller program. This was a very basic simple program. Thank you.